Hey, it's Grady at Twin Creek Audio, and today I'm going to take the analog tracks that I recorded on my Fostex R8. This was in the last video here on the channel, recording and mixing with the Fostex R8. So I'm going to take those tracks and transfer them to digital. The reason you might want to do this is editing sloppy drum tracks or adding other things in the box, especially if you only have 8 tracks and you don't want to bounce in the analog domain and increase noise. So I connected the tape outputs of the Fostex R8 to 8 of the interface inputs on my audio interfaces. This is pretty simple since I have both the Fostex R8 and my audio interfaces connected to the Soundcraft Sapphyre and its patchbay. Then I set the inputs on each channel in Reaper to the correct audio interface input that's coming from the Fostex R8's tape outputs. So once I had all of the interface inputs assigned correctly to the different tracks that I created in Reaper, then I armed the tracks. Then I put the tape on the Fostex R8 and set the 0 point for the beginning of the song. And then I was ready for the transfer. Now we're at 0, ready for the transfer. I'm going to start Reaper recording now and then press play on the tape machine. I think that was successful. I didn't see any spikes or anything wrong with that transfer, so I'm going to stop Reaper recording and stop the tape. Now I have all 8 tracks transferred from analog to digital in Reaper, and I have a project that I can save, and I can use those tracks to add things to or manipulate or edit however I want in the box. So I put together a mix in the box with the tracks that I transferred from the Fostex R8. I've used the Airwindows Channel 7 console emulation plugin on all 8 tracks. I have them all set to this console style, and the drive is at 41%, and that's the same on all 8 tracks here. I've added some compression to the kick and the snare. And there is some EQ on the overheads to remove some funky frequencies. 795 on the left overhead and 753 on the right hand side of the overhead. On the bass guitar, I've also got some compression going. Just using Recomp, and I'm using the Driving Rock Bass preset here, but I've tweaked this some. I've changed the attack and release times on this, just adjusting this by ear for the song. On the master bus, I'm using the Airwindows Console 5 console bus emulation. Not a whole lot of settings or pretty graphic interface on those Airwindows plugins, but they sound fantastic. I do recommend those. I'm also using the Airwindows From Tape plugin on the master bus, and here are the settings. This is kind of strange how these work. A louder and a softer fader, as well as a weight fader. And that's how I have those set. So let's hear this in-the-box digital mix of the analog tracks that I transferred from the Fostex R8. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out all the links in the video description. I'll often put links that relate to this video, such as the video where I actually tracked the material that we used for today's transfer, all other kinds of links that go to help support this channel as well. Also, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the Twin Creek Audio YouTube channel if you have not done so already. Hope each and every one of you out there has an excellent day, night, evening, weekend, weekday, weekday, hour, minute, second, nanosecond, whatever it is you're having. Have a good one. Oops, I messed that up again, but thanks so much for watching.